My dear students, last time we have studied about the 5 basic elements of the programming. In this class I will be talking about the various types of variables, constants, keywords, identifier uses. We will be discussing that. First we will understand what is identifier. Identifier, as the name itself suggests, that it refers to the specific entities, a thing which you can easily distinct and independent the existence. For example, the variable name and the function name. And these are the rules that that helps in identifying the identifier. Like, there is a difference between uppercase and the lowercase. Uppercase are the big alphabets and the lowercase are the smaller alphabets. A name cannot start with a number. Suppose if anything starts with a number like 4 Amrit, then this number, then this constant will then this thing is not identifier. This is a mistake, this is invalid. In this way, these are the various rules which are used in the programming. Next is the literal. A literal, you can see that it is a type of various integer, floating, character, data types, and the boolean value literals. Literal do not change during program execution are called constant or literals. Constants are those which is constant in nature. Next is the data types. See, data types are of many types. They are of basically 4 types which you will be studying in this. First is the integer. In the integer, it is a sequence of digits that fall within the permissible range. Integer is a sequence of the digits that fall within the space and it does not contain the comma and the blank spaces. For example, the 12, 10, 100, etc. All these are known as the integer. Next is the floating point. Floating point is the point which is related to the decimal point. For example, 0.55678.890. So the point which comes under the heading of the floating point. Next is the character. From the name itself, you can easily understand that a character is a single character which is constant in nature and it is always enclosed in the single quote. For example, BC. Last is the string. String is the consist of the characters like the whole name. For example, Amrit. But it comes in the quotation marks, double quotes, and this also comes in the single quote, and this comes in the double quotation quote. The floating point and integer does not come in the in the quotes.